Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vishak. Today, 12th of November is remembered as the Temple Entry Proclamation Day. This was issued by Maharaja Sri Chitra Tirunal Balarama Varma on November 12, 1936. This video is a tribute to our late Maharaja Sri Chitra Tirunal. Balarama Varma was born on 7th November 1912 on Deepavali day under the star Chitra and hence came to be known as Sri Chitra Tirunal. His father Ravivarma Kochutamburan was the great nephew of Raja Ravivarma, the legendary painter. His mother Sethu Parvati Bai was the junior Rani of Attingal who was distantly connected to the Travancore royal family. In 1900, she was adopted into the royal family by her maternal aunt Maharani Sethulakshmi Bai because of the absence of male successors in the family. Sri Chitra Tirunal Balarama Varma took over the reins of Travancore on November 6, 1931 and ruled for 67 years. Though he was the last Maharaja of Travancore, he became a historic personality during his lifetime due to the administrative reforms implemented during his tenure. Sri Chitra Tirunal was proficient in many languages and was an embodiment of humility. He lived his divine life as a Padmanabha Dasa and contributed to every walk of life in Kerala like education, healthcare, music, spirituality as well as democracy. Under Sri Chitra Tirunal, Travancore became a typical modern state and a model to the rest of India. The midday meal scheme in Travancore was introduced to encourage poor children to attend school. The state transport system, inaugurated in 1937, has been an eye-opener to all as a public utility service earned a big net income for the state. In 1935, Mumbai, previously Bombay, was connected with Trivandrum by an air service. The Pallivasal scheme was the first attempt in India to harness the waterfalls to man's service by generation of electricity. The University of Travancore, subsequently named as Kerala University, was founded in 1937. Sri Chitra Tirunal became the first Chancellor and Sri C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer as the Vice Chancellor of the Travancore University. The Padmanabhapuram Palace, built during Martanda Varma's regime, was renovated and the Trivandrum Art Gallery was expanded. Aerodrome, radio station, public service station, medical and engineering colleges were started in the state. The Temple Entry Proclamation was issued by Maharaja Chitra Tirunal Balarama Varma on November 12, 1936. The proclamation abolished the ban on the so-called low-caste people from entering Hindu temples in the princely state of Travancore, now part of Kerala. The impact of the Temple Entry Proclamation was immediate and far-reaching. Padmanabha Swami Temple was the first in India to proclaim Temple Entry for all, which made Mahatma Gandhi describe Sri Chitra Tirunal as a modern Ashoka. He sent a message appreciating the Maharaja for his historic decision. In an open letter addressed to the Maharaja, Gandhiji said, "People call me the Mahatma and I think I don't deserve it. But in my view, you have in reality become a Mahatma, great soul, by your proclamation at this young age, breaking the age-old custom and throwing open the doors of the temples to our brothers and sisters whom the hateful tradition considered as untouchables. I verily believe that when all else is forgotten, this one act of Maharaja, the proclamation, will be remembered by future generations with gratitude and hope that all other Hindu princes will follow the noble example set by this far-off ancient Hindu state." The Government of India issued a stamp of Maharaja in 1991 commemorating the reforms that marked the rule of Sri Chitra Tirunal in Travancore. The Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology and the Sri Chitra Tirunal College of Engineering at Trivandrum were named after him. Sri Chitra Tirunal, the last ruler of Travancore, breathed his last at the Kaudiyar Palace on July 19, 1991 at the age of 78. He was succeeded as head of the Royal House of Travancore by his brother Uttaradan Tirunal Martanda Varma. On this special day, let's all remember and thank our Maharaja for his immense contribution to Kerala and mankind. Thank you.